This morning, our purpose here is to unveil a project that seeks to promote accountability and transparency by tracking COVID-19 intervention funds across African countries. The scheme has been titled COVID-19 Transparency and Accountability Project, or CTAP, and will undertake studies to track government expenditure on COVID-19 response. CTAP is a Pan-African program led and managed by Budget International across East, South, and West Africa, particularly in Nigeria, Kenya, Cameroon, Sierra Leone, Liberia, and Malawi. The objective is to promote transparency, improve visibility, and accountability of donor agencies and development partners. We believe greater transparency is critical at the national level for accountability and public trust in government, but also at the international level to enable a more coordinated and effective response by development and humanitarian actors. This will in turn enable the international community to better understand where assistance is being provided, to ultimately take better informed decisions about unmet needs. Ladies and gentlemen, at the height of the pandemic, international appeals were launched and contributions were made in grants and non-concessional facilities to battle COVID-19. Developing countries received billions of dollars in assistance through multilateral and bilateral relations as the world collaborated to lessen the effects of the crisis on the most vulnerable in our society. The government of Ghana received tranches of support from sources such as the World Bank, the International Monetary Fund, the European Union, the MasterCard Foundation, the Korean Export-Import Bank, the European Union, and the Bank of Ghana, as well as the private sector, to help bridge the COVID-induced revenue shortfall. The pandemic has made it clear that tracking and aggregating this collective information is key to enabling a more coordinated and effective response. In view of this, the COVID-19 Transparency and Accountability Project was launched in the wake of the pandemic to track public expenditure and government's response and accountability measures in African countries. This is not a surprise, given the fallout between various African governments and their citizens and donors when funds intended for managing the Ebola crisis were alleged to have been mismanaged. Such tendencies may deepen public trust in the government, thus undermining the efforts to overcome the pandemic. To achieve this objective, Budget Ghana will undertake 2 major research projects to examine the nation's response to the pandemic. This will cover COVID-related expenditure and the procurement processes, support to healthcare workers, stimulus to businesses, household support, and the vaccine rollout. Aside studying publicly available national procurement data, we will leverage on our tracker and follow the money platforms, as well as the Pan-African tracking system for all COVID-19 funds received. The project will visualize data on all COVID-related funding to help connect the dots.